So today I have a very cool structure with me. As you can see, the top part and the bottom part is entirely supported using these strings. Like there's no rigid support whatsoever. And let's see what happens when I let the top part go. Surprisingly, the top didn't collapse. Now normally, when a similar structure which is supported entirely by string, and when you let the top part go, it collapses because the strings are not strong enough to provide the necessary support. But not in this case, because this structure is designed using the concept of tensegrity, which comes from the word tensional integrity. So you see these strings are kept under constant tension to provide the upward support. Now another great example of tensegrity is our human body, wherein our bones behave like these wooden planks which provides the rigidity factor, and our muscles or our ligaments behave like these strings under tension which provide the tensional aspect in tensegrity, or also called as flexibility. Now this interplay between flexibility and rigidity allows us to do a huge range of movement, and that's the beauty of tensegrity.
Let me up, let me up. Let me up, let me up.